लाइफ प्रोसेस में वी आर डिस्कसिंग अबाउट द सर्कुलेशन। सर्कुलेशन के अंदर जो मेन इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट था, हार्ट के बारे में हम पढ़े। नेक्स्ट वी आर डिस्कसिंग very important question. Sometimes you get the question, differences between arteries and veins. So these differences between arteries and veins we have to discuss. Very simple thing is, if you look your hand like this, here and there some greenish color, bluish color will be there. And in Telugu people say it is called naram. Naram मतलब तेलुगु में नरम, not हिंदी नरम. हिंदी नरम बोलते मुलायम, soft. तेलुगु में नरम बोलते नरु. Actually it is not the nerve, it is a blood vessel. Vessel बोले तो ये hollow pipe like structure, अंदर hollow रहता है, ये पाइप जैसा रहता है. जैसे हमारा कॉटन रॉड होता है, पानी का पाइप होता है, उसको वेसल बोलते हैं एक्चुअली साइंस में. एंड उसीलिए बर्तन जो होता है उसी को बोलते हैं वेसल, वेसल अदरवाइज वी कॉल इट. तो दिस इज अ पाइप लाइक स्ट्रक्चर विच आर देयर इन आवर बॉडी. One will be just below the skin, the green and bluish color, which is nothing but called vein. And other one will be in between the bone and the muscle. Bone and muscle के बीच में रहता है. And that is called arteries. तो किसे vein कहते हैं, किसे artery कहते हैं. If you look into this points what we have written already. So these two blood vessels are nothing but called arteries and veins. Arteries क्या है? The vessels which take pure blood, don't say pure blood, take blood from the heart to the organs except pulmonary artery. ये pulmonary artery को छोड़ के बाकी जो blood vessels from the heart, blood is taken to the organs and ले जाने वालों को, हार्ट से ले जाने वालों को arteries बोलते हैं. And the vessels which bring from cells to the heart, cells से blood वापस लाने वालों को veins बोलते हैं. ले जाने वालों को arteries, लाने वालों को क्या बोलते हैं? veins बोलते हैं. But in this one artery जो blood ले जाता है उसमें impure blood रहता है. बाकी आर्टरीज में जो ब्लड रहता है वो प्योर रहता है. और जो वन आर्टरी विच इज टेकिंग द ब्लड, इम्प्योर ब्लड और डीऑक्सीजनेटेड ब्लड, वो भी ब्लड ले जाता है. इट इज ऑल्सो टेकिंग द ब्लड फ्रॉम द हार्ट, बट इट इज कैरिंग द इम्प्योर ब्लड, डीऑक्सीजनेटेड ब्लड, मतलब ब्लड विथ मोर कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड, and that blood will be going to the lungs, and that is called as what? Pulmonary artery. Similar way, जो भी बॉडी ऑर्गन्स से, सेल से ब्लड कलेक्ट कर लाते हैं एंड हार्ट में डंप करते हैं, एंड दे आर ऑल कॉल्ड एज व्हाट? वेन्स, ब्लड को लाने वाले. ऑलमोस्ट ऑल वेन्स विल ब्रिंग इम्प्योर ब्लड, okay, sorry, deoxygenated blood from all the cells, मतलब कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड के साथ लाते हैं. ओके. एंड सिर्फ एक ही जो वेन होता है या हार्ट और लंग्स में प्योर होने के बाद ब्लड, और प्योर ब्लड को लाने वालों को बोलता है पल्मोनरी वेन, एंड दिस विल ब्रिंग द प्योर ब्लड. Pulmonary vein will bring pure blood. Pulmonary artery will take out impure blood. That's all. बाकी सब सेम है. All arteries bring the blood. All arteries bring the oxygenated blood. All the veins bring the blood from the cells. I'm using the bring and bring 2 times. Don't confuse. I'm repeating again. All the arteries bring the blood to the cells. All veins bring the blood from the cells to the heart. So to avoid this confusion, bring and bring, so I suggest you children, you write two words fix in your mind. The vessels which take out, yeah, which supply blood to the cells called arteries, and vessels which bring blood to the heart is called what? Veins. This you have to write. Okay. One mark question में silly question जैसा लगता है, it will be asked, why is pulmonary artery supplying impure blood? Question will come. Because it is what happened, supplying the blood from right atrium where the impure blood is filled. So that is supplied to the lungs. Similarly, why is pulmonary vein supplying the pure blood? Because it is bringing blood from the lungs, so it will be bringing the pure blood. That we have to understand and we have to see. And going to the next important point between the arteries and veins is nothing but arteries are thick walls and veins are thin walls. Okay, and here one point we have written, it is not presence of blood, it is called pressure of the blood. It is called what? Pressure of the blood. All of you change your what you call word. It is called what? Pressure. Pressure of the blood. Here also nothing but called what you write? A pressure of blood. It is wrong printing. Yeah, typing is wrong and all. It is the pressure of the blood will be more in the arteries and pressure of blood will be very less in the artery. So to pressure को maintain करने के लिए arteries are having thick walls and blood vessels which are having the veins nothing but called thin walls. That's why our injection syringe sometimes to take the blood and all, they will inject into the vessel called vein only because its wall is very thin. But if you go to the arteries, they will also sometimes put what you call this blood injection and all into the arteries also. When the people do some cath lab and all, that there will be a test and all, at that time they put it directly to that one, arteries and all. So next one, these are very deep between the bone and muscle. मतलब arteries will be under high pressure. So pressure को maintain करने के लिए surroundings must be very strong. वो strong होने के लिए and they are in the deep in between bone and muscle. That's why what happened, this bone and muscle के बीच में रहने से ही वो blood vessel जो artery बोलते हैं उसका pressure बरकरार रहता है. The pressure is maintained. अगर ये ब्लड एंड मसल के बीच में नहीं है, हार्ट प्रेशर के द्वारा जो प्रेशर आता है, विद दैट द आर्टरी विल बी ब्रोकन. So to maintain the pressure in that, the God and nature has created them in between the bone and the muscle. Tightly pack हो गया वो, इसलिए वो burst नहीं होता है. And sometimes what will happen, listen carefully, sometimes what happen, if the pressure is more in the heart, and in the mind pressure is more in the heart, the blood pressure will increase. Listen carefully. And then what happened? Wherever the blood vessels which are very very thin होता है, like neck area and other area, cranial area में, and these blood vessels will burst. Even in the nose also sometimes nose में blood will come. There in those areas blood vessels will be very very thin. The pressure ज़्यादा होने से what happened? Okay, and then they all automatically they burst. So this type of bursting generally, if it happens in the neck area, in the head area and all, it is called hemorrhage. Due to high blood pressure it happens and it is called brain hemorrhage. मतलब blood के अंदर जो vessels होता है यहाँ पर, they split and they break and blood will be spilled and the blood spilled will be what happened, coagulated in the sense वो clotting होता है. and that's how the brain clottings will happen. It happen because of the pressure, because of the injury also. कभी कभी गिरने से जो हेड इंजरी वगैरह होता है वो ब्लड स्पिल होता है, ज़्यादा ब्लड स्पिल हो गया पर्सन कैन नॉट लिव. सो अगर क्लॉटिंग हो गया, वो जहाँ जहाँ क्लॉट हो गया वो ब्रेन काम नहीं करता है, तो दैट ऑर्गन विल बी पैरालाइज्ड इन आवर बॉडी. इसीलिए व्हीकल चलाते समय हेलमेट लगाने के लिए बोलते हैं. एनी पार्ट ब्लड क्लॉट हुआ कुछ नहीं होता, एज यू नो दिस, चोट लगेगा इधर उधर, क्लॉट होता है. Without clotting, you don't get any problem. But if the clot in the brain is very dangerous, which cannot be removed, so it has to be slowly dissolved with the chemicals. Otherwise, surgery करके ये पूरा चिप्पा काट के और पूरा उसको निकालना, it will be lakhs of rupees. Survival rate is very very less. Why I am saying about this is blood pressure. So this pressure is more in case of arteries, and pressure will be less in case of what, the veins. Okay, so why it happened? Heart से वो blood should go to different parts. इसलिए what happened? दूर दूर प्रांत तक जाने के लिए उसको प्रेशर चाहिए, मतलब चलने के लिए एनर्जी चाहिए. So that energy, movement and motion is given by this heart. But due to our food conditions and all, due to our mental stability and all, thinking and all, the pressure will increase. ओके, मेंटल प्रेशर बोलते हैं हम लोग, काम नहीं कर रहा, दिमाग काम नहीं कर रहा बोल, तो वही वी थिंक मोर एंड मोर, ब्रेन विल बी वर्किंग स्ट्रांग हार्डर एंड हार्डर लाइक लेमन स्क्वीजर, and that is called mental pressure. With that what will happen? Heart pressure will increase. With that what happen? Pressure in the arteries will increase. With that what will happen? And it will spill the blood, and it is called brain hemorrhage and other problems, and it leads to the death. So this is the general awareness के लिए मैं बता रहा हूँ. But differences between arteries and veins are only 4 or 5 are there. Arteries carry the blood from heart to the cells. Veins bring the blood from cells to the heart. Point number 2. Arteries carry pure blood. Veins carry impure blood. Okay. Arteries having thick walls. Veins having thin walls. Arteries having more pressure, and veins having less pressure. Pulmonary artery, only one will be carrying the impure blood. Pulmonary vein, only one will be bringing the pure blood. These are the 5 differences. And another one, 6th one also. Arteries will be between bone and muscle, and vein will be just below the skin. And arteries cannot be seen with our naked eye, and veins can be seen with our naked eye. यहाँ पर भी दिखाई देता आपको. Okay, so they are all nothing but differences between arteries and the veins. Now listen carefully. Heart से जो पाइपां ला रहे blood to the cells, but you know cell is very very micro, very very small. तो इतना मोटा पाइप के द्वारा अगर blood is supplied to the small cell, what happens? Cell will be submerged in the blood. Cell will not get the blood. तो क्या होना है? सेल को सप्लाई करना बोले तो सेल को एक पाइप लगाना, वो पाइप सेल से भी छोटा होना है. It should be smaller than the cell. But these arteries and veins are very big, so they can't supply because of full bulk quantity is there. So further these arteries are broken into small hair-like structures. Okay, they are called blood capillaries. They are called blood capillaries. जैसे आपको रूट देखा, रूट्स को पतला पतला हेयर्स होता है. Similar way, a big root is like a artery. वो पतला hairs like capillaries. And the patla hair of root again further broken into small hairs, and they are called blood capillaries. Where do you find these blood capillaries? Blood capillaries you find at the end of the artery. Listen carefully. Blood capillaries are present at the end of the artery. blood capillaries also present at the beginning of the artery. Suppose you look into my hands. This is you think as artery. ये blood लेके आ रहा है, and it is broken into the thin hair-like structures. And this is called artery, blood vessel. And these are called fingers are called arteries. And ये arteries क्या करते हैं? Suppose it is giving blood to my this area called cell. एक capillary will give blood to my cell, this portion, and cell will take the blood and supply whatever supply has come. It will use the food, it will use the oxygen, and it will do the respiration, and the energy is stored ATP के द्वारा. Energy is stored in the cell, in the mitochondria, and carbon dioxide is produced. Water is also produced in the burning of the food. Then this carbon dioxide should be thrown out of the cell. ये सेल को बाहर फेंकना है. फेंकने के लिए फिर कैसा? उसके लिए भी यहाँ पर एक पतला पाइप होना है. जैसे इधर आया ब्लड कैपिलरी आया, इधर भी एक ब्लड कैपिलरी रहता है. इधर से प्योर ब्लड आएगा और यहाँ से कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड लेके ब्लड विल बिकम इम्प्योर, वो बाहर जा. And again like that what happened, different capillaries will be there. Okay, and these are called artery से जो बना है उसको बोलते हैं arterioles, and जो छोटे छोटे मिलके यहाँ वेन बनता है इसे कहते हैं venules. Venules, arterioles, arterioles, venules. तो दोनों के बीच में cell will be there. तो one cell is connected both the sides. One side with arterioles, nothing but blood capillaries of the artery, and another side the blood capillaries of the vein. एक blood लाने के लिए, एक impurities blood के साथ जाने के लिए. And at the cell only, what happened? This end of artery will take place and beginning of the vein will start. That's how from each and every cell the blood is supplied, where the blood is used different purposes, and impurities are produced, and impurities are pushed into the vein blood, and that blood will start moving, and यहाँ से vein will start. So this is the difference between arteries and veins and capillaries. So at the cell junction, there you will be having the blood capillaries. Blood capillaries are very thin hair fiber-like structures, so that the blood can be transported to the each and every cell. So these thin and hair-like structures of blood vessels are called blood capillaries. So there ends the circulatory system का organs. Circulatory system का organs और 3, ये 3 खत्म हो गए. Heart, artery, capillaries, vein, and back to heart. Okay, this is I am talking about organs only. But इसके द्वारा कौन जाता है? Blood जाता है. So we have to discuss about the blood. Now the fourth topic of the blood circulatory system is called blood. Before going to the blood, you just look into this video for 2 minutes. You look into this one. Left side and right side, the heart is beating, contraction, compression, and the supply of the blood through the arteries and veins. Yeah, what I said is, now this is look into the heart, the blood, 1 lakh times it beats a day, 35 million beats per year. You see, all veins are bringing the blood to the right side. Okay, right artery is filled, it's dumped into right ventricle. Now from there, impure blood is taking out. This is called artery to the lungs, where the lungs deoxygenated blood become oxygenated. Oxygen is supplied, exchange of gases. Again, it has come to the heart, Again, it is supplied to the different parts of the body, and then it is gone to different organs. And these are all the valves. Of course, we are not discussing much about the valves. Okay. Then what happened? Look it. Like that, it contraction and expansion by the pericardium muscle. This is called heartbeat. How they are opening and all it happens. Then it will be taking place. Here you listen carefully. There are the two important points in case of heart, which is called as blood pressure जब जाते हैं and it is seen by the doctor and say 120 by 80 or 130 by 90 ऐसा बोलते हैं ना, नंबर बोलते हैं. So what is that? We have to see now this one. Here it is called systole and diastole. Okay. If you look into this carefully once again, just a minute. And now we see. Now, what happened here? The heart is contracted. Contract होने से, compress होने से उसको systole बोलते हैं. So with that, what happened? Pressure is created. With the pressure, it will be going upside. Then what will happen? You see, heart is filled with blood. अब heart इधर से blood इधर आया. With that, what happened? Diameter of the heart. With that, what happened? When the heart is filled with blood, it has expanded like this. मतलब उसका heart का diameter. Most of the children get confused here itself. Systole क्या होता है? Diastole क्या होता है? Contraction and expansion. But cone contraction, cone expansion. We have to know. We don't. तो इसमें दो वर्ड में I told you most of the technical words itself will give you the meaning. Okay. So here what happened? ये dia बोला तो diameter से dia बोला तो size general language में. पाइप डाया, आधा इंच पाइप, 4 इंच पाइप, 1 इंच पाइप बोलते हैं ना हम लोग, तो नथिंग बट डाया इट इज. तो हियर द डाया इट इज कॉल्ड, इट विल बी व्हाट हैपन एक्सपैंड, उसका डायमीटर विल इंक्रीज, तो इट इज कॉल्ड एक्सपेंशन. ओके. तो expansion and contraction. Expansion is nothing but a dia and contraction is nothing but the systole. तो systole is nothing but जब push करने वाला pressure. डायस्टोल का मतलब क्या है? जब हार्ट इज फिल्ड इन द सॉरी ब्लड इज फिल्ड इन द हार्ट का जो प्रेशर है, एंड इट इज कॉल्ड व्हाट? डायस्टोलिक प्रेशर. एंड जो प्रेशर के साथ ब्लड बाहर निकलता है, इट इज कॉल्ड व्हाट? सिस्टोलिक प्रेशर. राइट. So here you see expansion and contraction, and that you can find it. So this is how what happened. The systole and diastole will take place. Watch it. Now how it is going. Okay. Here it is going. Now it is bringing, it is filling ventricles, and then it is expansion. So now the diastole and systole will take place. Once again, you watch it carefully here.
सर डायस्टोल का मतलब होता है जब ब्लड अंदर आता है हार्ट का, एंड सिस्टोल का मतलब जब ब्लड बाहर जाता है.
Excellent, very good. This is, watch it once again. Yeah, fill होते समय जो expand होता है हार्ट, it is called diastole. जब प्रेशर डालते हैं, that is called systole. So this is how the heart is working, and this is how the heart is working. The supply of will be there, and this is called pulmonary vein, and this is called pulmonary artery. Correct है, wrong है? Tell me anybody. This is pulmonary artery. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Impure blood ले जाने वाला तो is called pulmonary artery, and जो pure blood लाता है उसको बोलते हैं pulmonary vein. Okay. Okay. Now like this, if you see, and finally what happens? The blood is going to the last part, and आपको दिखाया था यहाँ पर एक बार सेल के पास देखो. Once again I want to show this part where the blood is joined to the cell. Somewhere it is. यहाँ पर एक सेल के पास ज्वाइन हुआ था, याद है आपको? Once again you watch it from here. I would like to stop where it is going. Yeah. Now see this. I want to show you the capillaries. Yeah, exactly. Here it is capillaries. So this is arteries broken into the pieces and small hair-like structures, and they are all called capillaries. And here it is venules are starting, and they are all called venules. They are nothing but capillaries. Suppose you take this as a cell, and it is what happened, one a capillary with artery connected to the cell, supplying the blood with food and oxygen. Then the food and oxygen will be burnt here, suppose, and carbon dioxide is produced. ये कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड फिर आगे डिफ्यूजन के द्वारा बाहर ले जाता है, and the blood is becoming impure, and then it is taken by the blood capillaries and joined together. All blood capillaries joined together to form the vein, and from the vein it will be taken to the heart. So that's how what happened. The capillaries will be working, oxygen is supplied, and it will be going to this one. Okay, so this is about the blood circulation system. Generally, sometimes they ask you, draw the blood circulatory system. And children, what happened? They draw the heart diagram. Difference is there between heart diagram and the circulatory system. अभी जो वीडियो में जो दिखाया, हार्ट भी रहना है, लंग्स भी रहना है, आर्टरीज भी रहना है, जाना है, सेल के पास मिलना है, कैपिलरीज रहना है, फिर कैपिलरी स्टार्ट होना है, पाइप बनाना है, वीन है, फिर वापस उसको हार्ट में कनेक्ट करना है. दिस इज सर्कुलेटरी सिस्टम डायग्राम. ओके, हार्ट डायग्राम इज डिफरेंट, heart functioning is different, circulatory system is this one. The children sometimes to confuse you, and then they ask you draw the circulatory system of the human beings, and people think that heart is only the important, people draw the heart diagram. No, you will lose the marks. Read the question carefully. If it is the circulatory system diagram, you have to draw this diagram. If it is a heart, and heart, that's all. People never ask you the draw the diagram of artery and the vein. कभी नहीं पूछते. They ask only two diagrams in the circulatory system. What is circulatory system diagram? Other one is the heart diagram. So this is about the parts present in the circulatory system. Now if you go to the what you call of the circulatory system is called blood, as I said. Blood is called, before going to the points, blood is called a connective tissue. As you studied in 9th class, connective tissue. It is a tissue. What is the tissue? Group of similar cells which perform, yeah, group of cells which perform a similar function together is called tissue. तो यहाँ पर भी अलग अलग तरह के जो cells होते हैं, they group together and they do only one function. What is that function? Transportation. तो अलग अलग सेल्स कौन है देखना है. वो अलग अलग सेल्स मिलके क्या बनता है? ए मिक्सचर बनेगा, एक ग्रुप बनेगा, और वो ग्रुप क्या काम करता है? ट्रांसपोर्टेशन. ट्रांसपोर्टेशन से क्या होगा? एक सेल से दूसरी सेल, one organ to another organ is connected. That's why it is called connective tissue. Blood is called connective tissue. So what is the main importance of the blood? Blood is a transporting medium. It is a medium. वो सिर्फ उसको पकड़ के उधर फेंकेगा, उधर से पकड़ के इधर फेंकेगा. उसका काम ही है पकड़ना फेंकना, पकड़ना फेंकना, पकड़ना कैरी करना फेंकना. Otherwise you can use, yeah, catch it, hold it, carry it, move it, go to, drop it, collect it, carry it, आगे drop it. उसका काम वही. ऐसा करेगा सर्कुलेट करते समय, अपने आप मूव करते समय, उनके साथ साथ इसको भी ले जाएगा. तो इट हेल्प्स लाइक a transport system, nothing but logistic system, carrying and all, like courier system. This one it will happen. So what is the blood? Blood is a connective tissue. Definition of the blood, most of the children don't know. Blood is a connective tissue which is in the liquid medium, which can transport the material within the body or within the blood vessels. They have got their own route. ओके, वो रूट के द्वारा, प्रिस्क्राइब्ड रूट के द्वारा वो जाएगा. दे नेवर डिविएट द रूट. इधर से जाना जाना जाना, फिर आना, फिर इधर से वापस आना. दैट्स हाउ दिस ब्लड विल बी कमिंग. द मेन फंक्शन ऑफ द ब्लड इज नथिंग बट collecting the material, carrying the material, supplying the material. These are the functions of the blood. So what are there in the blood? Blood is the word is one, but it having different subparts and cells in that. What are those we discussed? As you have already written the points, you see this one, blood capillaries over. How is this one? The blood. Blood is the medium to transport. It's a liquid or a connective tissue, mixture of RBC, red blood corpuscles. But we commonly write red blood cells. Why they are red? Because they have got hemo. Hemo बोलो तो iron, like hematite. जो chemistry में पढ़ते हैं आप लोग. Hematite is nothing but one type of iron. And this hematite, iron pigment will be there in the blood. And इसका specialty क्या है? Iron will be having the more oxidation capacity. I'd like to stress here. Iron is the one with one mineral should be there in the blood. So that iron, as per the chemistry, chapter number 3 of 9th class, the iron is more reactive metal. We have discussed in the chapter number 1 of 10th class also. It undergoes rusting and oxidation process very quickly. That's why iron undergoes rusting. Similar way, in our body, blood will react with oxygen. It will carry with oxygen. ऑक्सीजन को और आयरन के बीच में केमिकल एफिनिटी बोलते हैं उसको. केमिकल अट्रैक्शन इज मोर. तो जैसा उसको ऑक्सीजन मिला वो आयरन पकड़ लेता है. And that's how it will absorb the oxygen by this hemoglobin, a hemo iron pigment present in the red blood cells as hemoglobin, and that will carry the oxygen. Because of that, iron will become red oxygen के साथ. उसीलिए rust भी reddish brownish color में रहता है. So because of iron, this will be there. Sometimes people will become very dull, tired, and redness will not be there in the eyes. डॉक्टर के पास जाए तो ऐसा देखेगा, आंख में देखे ब्लड कम है बोलता. एक्चुअली ब्लड कम नहीं रहता. देयर विल बी नो ब्लड लेस एंड मोर इन योर बॉडी. कीप इट अप. ब्लड विल बी देयर. ब्लड के अंदर जो आरबीसी का सेल होना है, सर्टेन क्वांटिटी, मिलियंस ऑफ नंबर, वो नहीं रहता. So they will go for the complete blood picture test, CBP. And in that they will tell you RBC कितना है, WBC कितना है, eosinophils कितना है, वो कितना है, platelet कितना है, सब story बताएगा. The different cells are there in the blood, but in your 10th class we are discussing only 4 or 3, and बाकी both भी रहता है cells, but not important now. So these red blood cells are red in color because of the hemoglobin, because of iron. Because of iron with oxygen, it will be in red color. So it is important for you and us to have the more iron food. कितना भी खाना खाओ, कितना भी वो करो, अगर बॉडी में आयरन नहीं है, ऑक्सीजन सप्लाई कैन नॉट बी देयर टू द सेल. तो जो खाना पड़ा हुआ है सेल में, इट विल नॉट बी बर्न्ड, एंड इट विल नॉट बी गिविंग एनर्जी. खूब खाते हैं लेकिन एनर्जी नहीं आते, धस जाते हैं, टायर्ड होते हैं. एंड इफ यू गो टू द डॉक्टर, दे विल टेल द सेम प्रॉब्लम, आयरन कम है, तो इसलिए आपको एनर्जी नहीं आ रहा है, ताकत नहीं आ रहा, बोलते एनर्जी नहीं आ रहा. क्यों नहीं आ रहा है? खूब अच्छा बहुत खाता सर, लेकिन बहुत डल है. क्यों है? ये आयरन कंटेंट वाला फूड नहीं खाते. तो वी हैव टू टेक आयरन कंटेंट फूड, लाइक करी पत्ता, बेस्ट सोर्स ऑफ, चीप सोर्स ऑफ आयरन, करी पत्ता, स्पिनाच, good jaggery, okay, and till nuvulu we call. These are all the best sources of iron content. अगर वो नहीं iron and pregnant woman generally they will be given one medicine iron capsule देते हैं उसको मतलब they have to produce more iron and all तो दो iron ज़्यादा देते हैं उसको so that will be quick and all energy is given so that baby will be grown and all. So iron rich food must be taken by us to have the proper RBC. Okay, little bit extra bataya. Okay, now we go to this one. Next one, WBC. It is WBC, not WBS. So it is called WBC, and it is white blood corpuscles. White blood corpuscles का story ज़्यादा है, and it kills microorganisms and it improves the immunity in our body. Very important. You look at. I would like to stress now because of the COVID and all this one. Here, what happened? 2 minutes we'll wait and we'll close the chapter. Time is more. And white blood cells. Compared to the red blood cells, the size of white blood cells is very big. Okay, and these white blood cells, what happened? They are like security guard and soldiers in our body. जहाँ जहाँ bacteria and infection organism center होता है, and these will go and attack and they'll kill them. So if this attacking and killing them capacity is there because of the WBC, and if the infecting bacteria or organisms are coming, pathogens we call, disease causing microorganisms, 9th class में पढ़े हैं, called as pathogens, and virus, bacteria, XYZ come to our body, and they will be attacked by the white blood cells present in the blood, and they will be killing them. If they are killing them, our body is protected. If our body is protected, we say that our body has got immunity. Immunity means fighting against the pathogens. Pathogens disease causing one को kill करने का capacity को बोलते हैं immunity. And ये immunity because of the WBC. Don't think that अगर WBC ज़्यादा है तो immunity ज़्यादा होता है. अगर WBC ज़्यादा है, RBC become less. If RBC become less, WBC become more, immunity नहीं रहता, पर energy नहीं रहता body, and the person will die, and it will cause a disease called jaundice. ना देखा ऐसा, color yellowish वगैरह बोलते हैं, and the people get the jaundice disease. So we should maintain the proportion between RBC and WBC. So WBC is to give the immunity to our body, fighting against the diseases capacity मिलता है, and the RBC is useful for getting the energy in our body. And these are the two important cells present in the body. And third one is plasma. 1 second. Plasma is a fluid and in which ये पूरे RBC, WBC ये जो platelets ये पूरे उसके अंदर रहता है. It is like milk, खीर and fruit salad में जो होता है like that. उसके अंदर ये पूरे it's a medium. ब्लड मीडियम, ब्लड के अंदर जो प्लाज्मा है वो और एक मीडियम, एंड इसके अंदर WBC विल बी देयर, RBC विल बी देयर, एंड प्लेटलेट्स विल बी देयर, एंड इट विल बी ट्रांसपोर्टिंग द फूड. हम जो खाना खाया वो प्लाज्मा खाने को पकड़ जाएगा और कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड को पकड़ कर लाएगा. तो दैट्स व्हाई इन द ब्लड ऑक्सीजन एंड कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड विल नॉट बी कैरिड बाय द सेम वन. इसको ऑक्सीजन विल बी टेकन बाय RBC एंड कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड विल बी टेकन बाय द प्लाज्मा, and it is pale in yellow color, and this is why जब चोट लगेगा yellowish liquid जहाँ चोट लगा वहां से निकल कर आता है, that is called plasma. अभी इसी को प्लाज्मा ट्रीटमेंट कर रहे हैं कोविड के अंदर. we discussed that, and the last part of the blood is nothing but called platelets. Platelets are nothing but called what? Platelets. Let it plate. Let me tell you. मुझे बोलने दो. समझ में? तो ये प्लेट जैसा है. ये प्लेट क्या करता है? ब्लड फ्लो को लेट करेगा, स्टॉप करेगा. That's why it is called platelet. Why? It is exposed to atmospheric oxygen. अंदर वाला ऑक्सीजन नहीं है, एटमॉस्फेयर ऑक्सीजन से एक्सपोज हो गया. It will undergo the chemical reaction and form a roughing like structure, thread like structures, fiber धागे बनेंगे. It will be blowing the blood and then it is called blood clotting. So this characteristic is done by the platelets. So these are the 4 important aspects present in our blood. Next we discuss in the next class. Yeah, any doubt from your side? Anybody quick?
Sir, can there be internal blood
Anybody
clotting?
or not? Yeah, internal blood clotting also will be there. We'll discuss afterwards. Okay. Next.
So why is the vein greenish in color from the outside?
Yeah, because of the impurities present in that, and it will look like a greenish color. Next.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, anything okay? Everything is okay? I think it is next you have one more class, 11 o'clock. Do you have class?
Sir, we have library.
No, sir.
It's a 10C library.
You have class? Yeah, okay. That's what. If you have any doubt, you ask me. Otherwise, we'll go to the next class. Wednesday we discuss.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Okay, bye children. All the
Thank you,
best.
sir.
Try to
Bye, sir. Thank you, sir.
Sir,
Thank